Most animals, when they lose a limb, lose it forever. A lizard might grow back a simple tail, nothing more. But one animal breaks this rule completely. It can regrow an entire leg with bone, muscle, and nerves. It can regrow its tail, its organs, even parts of its heart. And astonishingly, it can regrow pieces of its own brain. This is the axolotl. In the next few minutes, you will see how it heals like no other animal. You will see why it never truly grows up. And you will learn why scientists believe it could one day help heal us. First, what exactly is an axolotl? It is a type of salamander, native to the lakes of Mexico. With its feathery gills and upturned mouth, it almost looks like it is smiling. The ancient Aztecs were fascinated by it. They named it after Xolotl, their god of fire and lightning. But the axolotl hides a far stranger secret than its looks. Most salamanders are born in water, then grow up and crawl onto land. The axolotl never does. It keeps its gills and stays underwater for its entire life. In a way, it remains a baby forever. Scientists call this staying young trait neoteny, now to its greatest power, regeneration. If an axolotl loses a leg, it simply grows a new one, and not a rough copy, a perfect one. New bone, new muscle, new nerves, and new skin. It rebuilds the joint down to the smallest detail. When the new limb is finished, there is no scar at all, and it can do this again and again throughout its life. But limbs are only the beginning. The axolotl can regrow its tail. It can regrow parts of its lungs and its heart. It can even repair a damaged spinal cord. For most animals, a broken spinal cord means permanent paralysis. The axolotl simply heals it and swims away. And most astonishing of all, it can regrow parts of its own brain. So how is this even possible? When most animals are injured, they form scar tissue. A scar stops the bleeding, but it can never become a new limb. The axolotl does something completely different. Its cells gather at the wound and turn back the clock. They become young, blank cells once more. Then they rebuild exactly what was lost, piece by piece. An axolotl can even accept a limb from another axolotl without rejecting it. There is one more gift hidden in its body. Axolotls are remarkably resistant to cancer. When tumors do appear, their bodies often regenerate the tissue instead. For an animal that heals so fast, this is a stunning trick. This is why scientists around the world study the axolotl so closely. Humans cannot regrow a lost limb. Yet we share many of the same genes as this little creature. If we can learn how it heals, we may one day unlock that power in ourselves. The axolotl could help us regrow human tissue and even organs. But here is the sad twist. The animal that can heal almost anything cannot heal its own home. Axolotls come from the lakes and canals around Mexico City. Those waters are now polluted, drained, and shrinking. In the wild, the axolotl is now critically endangered. The creature that may one day save us is struggling to save itself. So the axolotl rewrites one of nature's hardest rules. Damage does not have to be permanent. A lost limb, a wounded heart, even a piece of the brain, all can return. And it all happens inside a small, smiling salamander that never grew up. If stories like this one fascinate you, consider subscribing. Every week, we explore another superpower of the wild. Regrowing a brain feels like the very limit of what life can do. But the wild has stranger powers still, even animals that may never truly die. We will get to them soon. Until then, keep exploring.